So we need to give our cat a couple of pills, but we're not going to be home. So what do? Get yourself a timed release feeder. I happen to like these Wopets ones. Make sure that the position, if you're using this one, is not on lock because it won't release the lid. Make sure it's on unlock. Always twist counterclockwise with these ones. Okay, so in here we want our gel pack and we want our food tray. We want to keep our gel pack and our tray in the freezer so they're really nice and cold as well. And we want to keep our food in the fridge. We pop our gel pack in here, it's been in the freezer. We pop our food tray in here, which has also been in the freezer, so they're both really nice and cold. I don't like using these pill crushers. They work well in theory, but not in practice. When you screw them together and supposedly crush the pill, there's still a huge gap between the teeth, and you just end up with large chunks. So we're not going to use this. What we are going to use is a good quality, solid, sturdy, medical grade steel mortar and pestle. I'm not a huge fan of handling medicines with my bare hands, so I'm going to put some gloves on. I almost always break these gloves when I'm putting them on, but it doesn't matter. I just want my fingertips to be covered. So let's get our medicine ready. Now this pill we only want a half, so just split it, pop that in there, put the other half away in storage. This one we want a whole pill, one of those in there. Now we're not crushing iron ore here, so you don't have to slam it and really hit it hard. You do want to crack at least the pill to compromise it. And this large one takes a little bit of a crack. There we go. Okay. Oh, a little bit came out. Okay, so give it a good little stir. There we go, we have a nice fine powder. This can's been in the fridge, so it's nice and cold. Now, of course, you don't want to feed your cats cold food. It can upset their stomach, and it's not particularly palatable. Cats prefer their food at body temperature, just like a live mouse or something they might have caught. But for this purpose, we do want it cold. So this food's been in the fridge. Okay, let's bring our crushed up medicine back over here. Got a little bit on the end here, so we'll brush that off. This can go in the sink. Reach in with a couple of fingers and get this nicely powdered medicine out. Let's give everything a good stir. And then we close our lid up. And set our timer. This one I want to go off in 8 hours. Now in 8 hours, when this opens up, the food inside will have thawed nicely and everything will be at a nice palatable room temperature. That's how you do it.